not started. So this slide I'll repeat again. So we are working on these four sectors. First sector is Teachers Training Academy. Second is soft skill and behavioral skill and life skill. So under this we do some trainings. So it may be for some educational organization, for some corporates, for schools and colleges. So in which we are actually more we worked on requirement basis, whatever they require, that kind of training we provide to them. But if at all in general we see under that we are having soft skill, behavioral skill and life skill related courses. Then we do work on Bada Business Project. You must have heard the name of Dr. Vivek Bindra. So we are associated with Bada Business as a business consultant, and whatever Bada Business provides, so all that products and services, courses, everything is available with us. So we do work with Bada Business as a business consultant. Then we are having more than 50 courses based on different modalities, therapies, alternate healing techniques on WhatsApp. So these courses we are doing quite from a long time, and we are also getting a very good response for that. So now we are at the scale up mode, and for that we require some associates who could work with us as a freelance, and that will be beneficial from both the sides, because you will also get the additional extra income benefit along with your existing income, and we will also get some helping hand. So that's how actually we would like to get associated with the organizations, individuals, freelancers, teachers, trainers, coaches. So let's see where you can fit yourself and just try to synergize whatever you are currently doing with those things, how you could actually collaborate with us. If at all these are all things which we are telling that are not matching as it is, we are open to do some kind of modifications within that. So we may have one-to-one conversation, and we may fix a few of the points, and then we may do some final agreement. So now how to move ahead and all that process I will tell you. So these are the basic things that these four sectors we are working in, and these are the major projects. Now let's move on to the next slide. These are few of the trainings which includes like faculty development program, then teachers training programs or train the trainer program, business trainings. Then in corporate training, you can see in both the circles there are few of the name mentioned. Of course, more than these, so many programs we run. So these are only for the example purpose. Now, as I've already mentioned you, we would like to have some business association for our teachers training franchisee. For our training, whatever we do on WhatsApp, we need some collaborations. And for academic coaching, we would like to enhance our training center into coaching center from first standard to 12th standard, and whatever academic education related trainings we could actually run under our umbrella, NSDC based and all those kind of trainings, vocational training, that also we would like to start with. So for that also we are looking for some collaborations. And the next is HR consultancy. So under this recruitment agency, we would like to start with, and we would like to have some associations for that, so that we could actually train the people on the basis of job related requirements. So we'll have some tie up with the corporates, and we'll create some of the jobs simultaneously. Whatever requirements are corporate we are getting from corporate, on those skills we'll have some breach course, and we'll give that breach course to the participants, and that's how actually we'll recruit those participants. So this is how under HR consultancy we would like to run some HR related courses, and we do also actually we would like to have some corporate types so that we could actually generate few of the jobs. So these are the major four different criterias under even whatever four sectors I have already mentioned. So let's move on. Now, franchisee opportunity, we are giving free of cost till 31st March only. Actual real cost of franchisee is 1,50,000 rupees for teachers training courses. Now we are giving it absolutely free. But of course, whatever benefits are there, there are some differences whenever you invest something and you don't invest anything. So there must be some changes within the whatever agreements are there. So how to join? Any organization may join us, any freelancer may join us as a business associate. Any housewife, individual, students may also join, those who would like to generate some extra income. Now, what are the support we'll be providing you? So, of course, we'll be giving you proper business training, product training, all the technical training, whichever is required, will be given from our end. And whatever guidance and hand holding you'll be requiring for doing this particular business, everything will be taken care from our end. Now, what are the benefits of joining us? Of course, you will get lucrative commissions on whatever admissions or leads you are generating for us. And time to time, you will get training for all the updations and whatever updates we have got for you. And we may also have some kind of events, like, for example, you are doing something and you would like to generate some leads. So, in association with you, we may organize few of the events so that on the common ground we could actually generate few of the leads. So such kind of events we could organize. That is again additional advantage. And of course, continuous handholding support you'll be getting. So without investing any money, you can actually start regular income. That is what is this opportunity is. So now, how to join? So let's see first what are all things you have to do under TTC. Now, under TTC, we are having these courses: NTT, or NTT is Nursery Teachers Training Course, MTC is Montessori Teachers Training Course, then Teachers Training Course, that is TTC or ECCET. So these are the fees for the admissions. Now, if at all, now what you are getting, that is what is of your interest. So basically, if you are doing in a month, single month, from 1 admission to 5 admission, if you are doing, so per admission 1,000 rupees you'll be getting. And if you'll be doing 6 to 10 admissions, per admission 1,500 you'll be getting. So expected monthly income, if you are doing 10 admissions, so 15,000, around 15,000 is your expected income on the very lowest side course. Now, if we'll be doing now, gradually the fees increase for all the courses. So we will directly consider the last one. That is one is advanced diploma. For that, if you'll be doing 10 admissions at least, so 50,000 will be your monthly income. And for D.Ed, DLED, if you could generate 50 admission, at least 10 admissions, so again 50,000. One more course is there, which is I think got down. So in that case, up to 60,000 you can earn till 10 admission. Of course, if you will do more than 10 admissions in a month, your monthly income may goes till 1 lakh. So this is what is expected earning in the Teachers Training Academy. Whole whatever training required for that, product related training means whatever we are giving in the course, then of course whatever other things, whatever queries you are having personally, how to solve queries of the clients. If at all you are getting some kind of queries which you could not solve, and you could directly connect them on the conference call, so that kind of handholding will also be provided. So these are the different kind of benefits we'll be giving, and this is what is the expected income opportunity what you could get under the project of Teachers Training Course. Hope this must be clear to all of you. Further training will be provided, but if any doubts or queries till now, you may ask. Any doubts or queries? Okay, so then let's move on. So if at all you are interested to join, in that case, firstly, whatever link has been given, you have to just fill that form. Those who have already filled, those details we have got, and we will soon get back to you for the training dates, and we will also share agreement with you all. Those who are interested, they have to fill this form first. Then those people who are actually from Pune itself, they may directly come to our office and they may sign the agreement in person. Otherwise, if you are not from Pune and it's not possible for you to visit the office, we will send you agreement on email. You have to agree that particular agreement, and then we may move ahead for the training and all. You don't have to invest anything for any kind of formality. It's just a written formality that, okay, this kind of agreement we are having, and mutually we are working together, and whatever your payment related terms and all, everything will be mentioned within the agreement. So it will be a professional kind of agreement wherein we could work together, and you will also earn and we will also get something out of that. So your commission payouts will be on the monthly basis. So on whatever date you have started till last date of that particular month, that will be considered as a particular month's commission payout. Of course, next month will be another commission payout. So first to 30th, whatever admissions you will be providing to us, for that you will get the payouts from 1st to 5th of second another month, next month. So that is what is the calculation. Invoice will be properly sent to you, and once you approve the invoice, then payment will be released to your account. So in that way, properly we will be doing all this kind of thing. Whatever admissions are there, for that we will be giving you our payment link. Means admissions, like person will be paying to Nita Training and Consulting Services. For you, we are paying to you separately. So that is what is the thing. Like, this is not like you first take out your commission and then you will be paying us. It's not like that. So the clients will pay to Nita Training, and then we Nita Training will pay commission payout to you. So this is what is the procedure. If at all you are having any doubts or queries, you may ask uh, in between also. Now, as this was all about teachers training, whatever teachers training courses we are currently doing. For that, we have seen all the structure, all the format, and expected earning was till 60,000 rupees per month. If at all you are doing till 10 admissions, of course, if you are doing more than 10 admissions per month, in that case, your monthly income may go in lakhs. So that was all about teachers training courses. Now we are moving ahead with the second project, that is whatever courses we are doing on WhatsApp. So on WhatsApp, whatever courses we are doing, so those who are already education field, teaching, training, or belong to any kind of modality, coaches, mentors, trainers, they may also join us under this association. Now, what are the benefits for this association is online sessions. Of course, we can run for all over the world, because location, city doesn't matter. So whole world is our client base. Now we are getting clients from many of the different well-developed countries. Many of our participants are from US, UK, Canada, Australia, many of the Arabian countries. So these are all countries we are already having students, more than at least 50 to 100 countries we are getting some course participants. So we would like to actually enhance it more, and we could actually connect each and every one. That is what is our motto is, means maximum number of countries we could cover. And that is not the boundary for that online courses. There is no limit over here. So we could get people from any part of the world. Now, getting help, we will be providing you help in branding, promotion, marketing. Of course, we will be doing everything for you. If at all we are doing courses in association. Now your job is, first part is for our courses we will be paying you commission, and the second part is whatever courses you are running, if you would like to get associated with you, then we will have association. So there are two different kind of association for the WhatsApp courses, online courses we are running. If you are getting any kind of doubt, please ask me. So first I'll explain this, and then we will see which is another one. Those people who are joining late, if you are not understanding anything, I will just revise once. But right now, just listen whatever is going on. We are on the second project. Totally, there are 4 projects, and out of that 4 project, one project we have already seen. Now we are on the second project. So those who have recently joined, we are on the second project now. If at all you are getting any doubts and queries, you may connect me later. Okay, so all these kind of things we will be providing. Certification process will be from our end, and all the learning and development support will be providing. If at all we are doing courses together, means for example, someone is having some kind of modality, and suppose Reiki or any kind of astrology related or whatever. Now we don't have, for example, though that course, and you would like to get associated with us. Now we are having some standard formats. In that standard format, like we provide so many things to the participants. We give notes in a proper PDF format. Then we provide audio for the explanation. Then we do provide videos for the practical part. We also provide some live sessions if at all required or demanded by the participant. So all these kind of things we are doing. So if at all your course doesn't supports with these kind of standard structure, we need to work on that part also. Like they should get, people should get each and everything because they are having some expectation. Also with each course, we are giving few of the courses free. Generally 2 to 3 courses we are giving free on enrollment of one course. So we are giving a lot of facility, and of course certification process, we work very specifically on the values that they need to complete assignments. Those who will complete assignments, they will get certified. Otherwise, we don't certify people without doing anything. So these are few of the standard structure about our WhatsApp online trainings. Now, within that, how we could associate. Now, for the first time, if a lot of standardization require, in that case, first time we will take 60 and you will get 40%. If at all it is up to the mark and we don't have to work from the starting itself, we will have 50-50 association, and we may run it on the full 50-50% partnership. So for example, you are having XYZ course and you would like to run that course under our banner, and even we could have one course that you would like to run under your banner. So we may have tie-up like association on certificate. Both the logos will be there, both the signatures will be there, and in association we will run that course. Whenever we are doing under our banner, we will be taking care of branding, promotion. When you are doing it under your banner, you have to take care of branding, promotion and all. So that is what is, it is equal for both the side. And for example, 1000 is the fees, and 10 participant will just consider a small amount of participant, though we get 100-200 participant also, but only 10 participant if we consider. So 10,000 will be the total income, and within that 10,000, 5,000 will be yours and 5,000 will be ours. So this is how we may get associated. So of course, if you are getting 100 students, so 50,000 you will get, 50,000 we will get. So this is how 50-50% association we may have for the training program which you are running and we are doing. So we may associate on these kind of agreement, and we may do it in association. So this is what is sharing ratio for the online courses. Now expected earning out of this is minimum we have generally 20 admissions to 200 admissions for our online courses. Even though we could consider only 1,000 rupees per admission, so total earning goes to minimum 20,000 and maximum 2 lakh. So if we are doing 50-50% sharing, so minimum earning will be per party will be 10,000 to 1 lakh rupees, and this is how you could start earning with us in association with NTCS, IIT, and of course whatever different international accreditations we are having, university affiliations we are having. All the logos will also be there, so you will get additional advantage that in your course, whatever course you are doing, you are also getting the advantage that whatever associations we are having, whatever affiliations, accreditations we are having, that also your participant will get that kind of accredited certificate. So this is what is about the second project we are doing. If you are having any doubts and queries, you may ask right now. Now this is what is the third project. Just a minute, few people are connecting. So far all is well. Anyone wants to ask anything, any doubts, any queries? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? All is well? सब समझ में आ रहा है या कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? जस्ट कंफर्म मी, चार्ट पे डाला तो भी चलेगा या फिर अनम्यूट करके बता सकते हैं। सब कुछ ठीक है ना? अंडरस्टैंडिंग ओके। आगे बढ़ते हैं, जस्ट अ मिनट। यस ओके, सो now this is the third project on which if you are selling our courses, now already there are more than 50 courses we are running, and of course on every monthly basis 2 or 3 new additions we are having. So it's going to enlarge very soon. It will be above 100. So whatever number of courses currently we are running, if you would like to get associated with us just for selling those courses, yeah, there are few of the criteria, eligibility criteria for the previous project, like whatever we have done now on 50-50 basis. So for 50-50 basis, if you'd like to get associated with us, of course, you should have proper knowledge within that particular whatever modality you would like to run course with us. You should have proper experience, you should have proper certifications, and you should have few of the like feedback or some kind of reviews if whatever work you have done previously, because you will be taking care of teaching that particular course. So in that way, if you are getting associated with us to run programs or in association, you should actually comply to all the eligibility criteria. But here we don't want any kind of eligibility criteria. Anyone, even if you are a student, if you are a housewife, if you don't have any experience, you can do it without any kind of criteria. एजुकेशन का क्राइटेरिया नहीं है, काम का क्राइटेरिया नहीं है, किसी का भी कोई भी क्राइटेरिया यहाँ पे नहीं चाहिए कोर्सेज सेल करने के लिए. तो यहाँ पे जो हमारे व्हाट्सएप पे कोर्सेज है, वॉट एवर कोर्सेज वी आर हैविंग ऑन व्हाट्सएप, you can sell those courses as it is in your network, whichever network you are having on your social media, your WhatsApp and everywhere. And if for one program, if you give us 1 to 5 enrollment, approximately we will give you 20%. But as you are raising the enrollment for one particular program, if at all 200 enrollments you could give us for a single program, your earning will be 2 lakh plus. So this is how we are giving up to 50% here. But of course 50% it will go once you could enroll more than 100 students for a single program. It's not together for 2-3 program if you are doing it's not for a one single program. If you are getting more than 100 enrollments, in that case you may get more than 50% commission on that. So this is what is 20, 25, 30, 40 and 50% commission we are paying on the enrollments for the online courses. Hope it must be clear.
Can I ask you a question, Neeta?
Yeah.
Is it okay to ask a question now?
Yes.
Yeah, see, these online courses, okay, but our once our associates or whomever we know, they will join your group, then they get their own, then they keep going back to the same association, right? So from where can we create more and more audiences?
Separately, you have to do it separately. Means हमारे group में आपको उनको join नहीं कराना है. Whatever is your audience, no, you should have a separate group for them.
Yeah, but then they will join your group, na, when they're doing the program. Then they'll be a part of your audience, na. उसके बाद.
हाँ, तो
See, suppose I have a friend of mine, they join one of your program, then they'll become a part of your group. So
तो फिर क्या फर्क पड़ता है उससे?
No, then we will not have the audience will, our audience will be just this, right? So how do we create more audience? Are you going to, you're getting what I meant to say? We have limited audience where
मतलब उससे आपको तो उनका कमीशन तो आपको मिल गया ना, तो फिर मतलब उनका रेफरेंस ही आया, तो मतलब आगे अगर आपको लगता है कि उन्होंने कोई कोर्स किया आपके थ्रू ही, उनको बता दो कि आपके थ्रू ही वो आए, तो हर बार फिर उनके थ्रू जितने भी कोर्सेज वो ज्वाइन करेंगे तो आपको कमीशन आएगा उनका. आप ऐसे उनको पहले से बता सकते हैं.
Okay.
तो ऐसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वैसे कुछ नहीं है. अगर एक बार आ गया तो फिर हम उनको हम किसी को पर्सनली कांटेक्ट करते ही नहीं, जो भी हमारा होता है ग्रुप में होता है. एंड जो लोग सिर्फ हमें पूछते हैं डाउट्स वगैरह, सिर्फ हम उनको बताते हैं. तो हम ऐसे पर्सनली.
No, I understand that, but they'll become a part of big families, what I meant to say. So then the small family is like kind of rejected.
Right. No problem. If at all you are giving a few of the references, they are repeating some of the courses, no? So you may get commission. So that kind of term we may have. If you are feeling insecure कि okay उनको दे दिया तो फिर वो उनके पास चला जाएगा, तो हम कैसे, तो of course हम भी आपको देंगे ना. मतलब जो references है, अगर आप आपका कुछ चलाते हैं तो हमारा तो नेटवर्क काफी बड़ा है. हमारे 50,000 से ज्यादा व्हाट्सएप पे ग्रुप है और ऑडियंस तो हमारा लैक्स में है. बाकी सोशल मीडिया पे एंड ऑल। तो हमारे पास पार्टिसिपेंट्स की लोगों की वैसे तो कमी नहीं है, तो
Yeah,
ऐसे
that's
कुछ
it.
नहीं होगा, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट। ठीक है, एनीथिंग एल्स?
Right. For now, yeah, this much.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so now we have seen 3 different projects whichever we are working on, and this is how we'll be sharing the commissions or whatever profit sharing is there. So these are some prerequisite, but let's not discuss it because I have already told you. Now these are few of the affiliations and accreditations we have got. So we have got accredited with IAO, that is International Association Accreditation Organization from USA, America. We have also got accredited with FICS UK, and we are ISO certified 9001 2018. These are 3 major accreditations. Apart from that, for that TTC courses, we are having NCT approval. We are having Mahila Vyavasay Udyog Yojana. Then we are having AEC membership of ECEA and AECED. So long form थोड़ा सा बड़ा है इसलिए short form में बता रही हूँ। तो ये सारी जो चीजें हैं, we have already got membership and we have got associated with them. So that's why our certificates are globally valid. Even though job oriented courses are there, so we are giving them 100% job assistance for the teachers training program. We have got a lot of associations with the schools, and that's how we are giving them job assistance as and when they are doing their diploma with us. So these are few of the affiliations and accreditations. Of course, we are having so many associates and joint venture we have ventures we have done with different brands. These are few of them, as few of the schools and all. So these are few of the centers we are having in Pune. Of course, upcoming centers we are expecting in different states and cities also. So our associations with the schools, whatever schools are associated with us, for them we are recruitment partner, we are TTC center with them. We are also getting associated with them for the internship of our students and for training their existing staff. So this is what is about today's meeting. Now over to you. If you're having any doubts and queries, we are having 4-5 minutes with us. We may discuss, and if at all you would like to discuss with me, this is what is my contact number on which you can contact me directly. And if you're having any doubts and queries, you can directly connect with me and ask me. So if you're having now any kind of questions, please ask. Should I stop sharing this, or anyone wants to note down the number and all? No, number note down करना है तो कर लो. किसी को कुछ doubts and queries है तो पूछ सकते हैं. जो late आए.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ. पूछिए.
Is there any agriculture related course in this?
नहीं है ना, लेकिन कर सकते हैं हम. तो ऑनलाइन स्ट्रक्चर में आ सकता है क्या फिर? मतलब आपको करना है क्या कि आपको देना है?
नहीं, एक्चुअली हाँ टीच कर सकते हैं. मतलब मेरा MBA इन एग्रीकल्चर मार्केटिंग है, तो इट्स रिलेटेड कुछ है क्या ऐसा?
हाँ, तो उसको ऑनलाइन स्ट्रक्चर में हम दे सकते हैं क्या कि कांटेक्ट ही चाहिए? मतलब लोगों को हम प्रैक्टिकल कैसे देंगे फिर? हमें अगर समझो एग्रीकल्चर का कोर्स डिजाइन करना है. आप कौन से सिटी से है?
ओके, पुणे से.
पुणे. अच्छा, तो पुणे में
हाँ,
अगर समझो हमें क्लासरूम मोड में करना है तो कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हमारा ऑफिस पुणे में ही है. लेकिन अगर हमें इसको सब लोगों को
अच्छा.
देना है तो थोड़ा सा उसको ऑनलाइन स्ट्रक्चर में लाने के लिए उसके ऊपर काम करना पड़ेगा कि किस तरह से हम करें एंड किस तरह से फिर हम लोगों को उसमें से बेनिफिट दे सकते हैं. और इफ एट ऑल हमें यहाँ पे पुणे में भी देना है तो क्या हमें कुछ लैंड वगैरह लगेगी जहाँ पे हमें उनको प्रैक्टिकल्स देने हैं एग्रीकल्चर रिलेटेड? कैसे मतलब?
नहीं, लैंड लगेगी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. नहीं नहीं, लैंड लगेगी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. पहले तो हमारा ये ऑनलाइन ही सब होगा, जो भी होगा वो.
अच्छा, ठीक है ना, फिर कर सकते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं है. और अगर पुणे में आप रहते हैं तो आप हमारे ऑफिस में आ जाइए डिस्कशन के लिए एक बार, तो देखते हैं कैसे हम कर सकते हैं उसको.
अच्छा,
ठीक है.
ठीक
आप
है.
मेरा नंबर नोट डाउन कर लीजिए और मुझे कांटेक्ट कीजिए. अदरवाइज फिर आपका नंबर मुझे दे दीजिएगा चैट पे, तो मैं नोट डाउन कर लूंगा. ठीक है, इसको स्टॉप करो मैं शेयरिंग.
अच्छा,
और किसी
मैंने
को कुछ पूछना
किया
है?
नोट डाउन आपका नंबर.
हाँ, आपका नाम क्या है?
श्रद्धा जोशी.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Anyone wants to
Thank you.
ask anything? Thank you. किसी को कुछ?
And I'm having some network problem as well. My infant is crying. By any chance, can I get a recording of this session just in
Yes.
case if I want to refer later?
Yes. But where should we send you? Like you are there in our group. कौन किसी ग्रुप में है आप? क्योंकि हम हमारे जो ग्रुप बनाया है
I
उसमें
think I have एक promotional group है, and I see that there is a invitation to join the WhatsApp group. I'll connect there.
आपको सबको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? नीतू जी कह रही है साउंड नहीं आ रहा है. आवाज आ रही है ना मेरी?
Yes.
ओके, तो मैं
Yes, ma'am.
शेयर करूंगी मैम. आपके साथ मैं रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर करूंगी. अदरवाइज मुझे आप मैसेज कीजिए, मैं आपको शेयर कर दूंगी रिकॉर्डिंग. तो अभी सिर्फ 1 मिनट बाकी है. किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो प्लीज जल्दी से पूछिए.
How do I connect with you?
जो नंबर अभी दिया था उस पे मैसेज कीजिए या फिर कॉल कर सकते हैं. फिर से मैं यहाँ पे डालती हूँ. अच्छा, मैं वो रजिस्ट्रेशन की लिंक डालना भूल गई. जो रजिस्ट्रेशन की लिंक आपको इसके साथ मिली थी ना, उस पे आप रजिस्टर भी कर लीजिए, तो वी कुड एक्चुअली कनेक्ट विथ यू ऑल. मैं चैट पे मेरा नंबर डालती हूँ फिर से. जिनको मेरे साथ डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करना है वो नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. अगर पॉसिबल हुआ तो मैं टाइम अगर हुआ तो मैं लिंक शेयर कर देती हूँ यहाँ पे.